Hey everybody, Dave Hashley here, and talk to you again about traffic, how to get more and better traffic. Going to talk to you about a couple of things. First off, I want to talk to you about the links that we're posting on Facebook and in groups and whatnot. Needs to be a short link, not the long link. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that inside Conversion Pros in the back office. Secondly, I want to show you about a couple of three strategies for utilizing Facebook to get traffic. So let's get busy here. And here we are in the Conversion Pros back office. We want to scroll down here under TCP Marketing Suite, and we want to find this tiny URL system. Really a neat little tool to help us out a lot. Okay, so this is our main page here that we send a lot of people to. This is the stuff page. Okay. Now, if you notice, a lot of these are already popular. I didn't put them there, but they are there because these are links that we use. So you might look and see if your stuffs page is there. If it is, you just click here, get link, and there's your shortened link. That's what you want to copy and paste and put that where your link is going to be visible. Now, if you're doing banners, things like that, where your link is not visible, you can go ahead and use the long one. But where people are going to see it, you need to put this short one, okay? Makes it a whole lot easier, and you won't have people chopping this up, and just going to conversionpros.com. They can take that off, and you never get credit for it. So, especially if you're doing these other pages, this one here, like your one to your CBD page at CTFO. Shorten that one. Don't send people to that one. And first, you don't want to send them to that one. You want to first send them to your stuff page or your millions page or CTFO 0. You want to be able to get their link. Okay, so I'm not going to send too many people to that unless it's just for informational purposes. Now, let's say your link is not there that you want. Okay, so let's say yeah, let's just copy this, copy, paste it in up here, paste, and I know that one's there because it's down there, but I didn't see, see this one here. Let's do CTFO 3. Probably wouldn't send anybody directly to that one, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to show you here. Okay, so you put it in here and then you search. Okay, make sure it's not there. It says, nope, no entries found. Okay, so we want to go back and we want to copy this link. Let's see, we got to get all of it here, so we'll do it this way. Copy the link, and then the blue button here is going to add. This is how we're going to make this link shorter. We paste it here. Okay, that's the link that we want to make shorter. Click save. It saved successfully. Now we want to go back. Go back, it should be right on the top here. There it is, CTFO3. Get link. Boom, there's the link that we want to, that's the one we want to post. Now, there's more things than that that's available here. If you look here, go to this little button here. You don't want to hit delete, but you want to do stats. Don't have any stats for this one, probably not, because again, it's not a link that you would put out. But if you did, it would show you the days and how many people clicked on that link. So that can be a handy tool to find out where your advertising is working or not. The other thing that you can do is click again on here, and you go to logs. And if you had any activity, excuse me, on that page, it would show you where that link came from. Look in some of the part of the URL. If you see Facebook in there, then you know that that lead came from Facebook. Okay, so that's tiny URL. That's what you want to use to get your links out. If you remember in the basic training, it talked about getting a domain and then using subdomains. Well, this is a good alternative to that. You don't have to worry about buying a domain and doing all that, working with the DNS and all that. Just use this short link that you've got here in your back office, tiny URL, and you'll be all set. Okay, now let's talk about some Facebook strategies. You might say, well, Dave, when I post on my feed, on my news feed on Facebook, nobody ever clicks on it. Right? Well, you got to ask yourself, what do you have any marketers that follow you on Facebook? If you don't, then that's a good reason why. Because all your neighbors and friends, they're not interested. They're not marketers probably. So how do you get more? Okay, let me show you how you can get more friends that are marketers. You go to somebody like this, Russell Brunson. He's a guru in internet marketing. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here and let's see, let's find another one. It's one with, we're looking for a place where a bunch of people have made comments or have liked his, in case you liked his post. There's, see all the list of people here? If you scroll down and you click on, well, if you click right there, going to open up in a new window. And these are people that follow Russell Brunson. You can add them as friends to yours, and they will. Someone will you request a friend request, and some of them will see that you're a marketer as well. You can go and do like about 20 of these. You don't do any much more than that, or you get caught in Facebook jail. So do like 20 a day, and after a few days, you'll have a few hundred, even more. Again, if you do it consistently, you can get more. But just don't do more than 20 a day, or you could get put in Facebook jail, and that bans you from doing it for a day or so. Okay, so that's how you can get more people to follow you so that when you post on your timeline, the things that are interesting to marketers. Okay, now the other thing you can do is you can post in marketing groups. Okay, let's say, for instance, here, this is a group here of internet marketers. Okay, and you can simply go right here, add a photo. This is a good one here that I found, and I'll show you where to find them as well. You put something like this: best home-based biz, or let's see, best home-based biz. The free tour. Okay, and then our link. Let's see if it's still in our clipboard here. A short one. No, see, that's the long one. That's the one we don't want to use anyway. Okay, so we're going to delete that. And we're going to go back here to Conversion Pros. And we're going to go to our stuff, get link. And we're going to copy that. Then we're going to go back and we're going to paste it. Okay, and post. Okay, now how do you find these groups? Okay, well, you simply go up here in your search bar and delete, and you say Internet Marketing Groups. And you join them. Here's one you can join, Network Marketing Group. Tells you how many people are in there. When you go to their page, well, you can see right here, 109,000. That's quite a few people. Another internet marketing group. You want to look in these groups first and make sure you're allowed to make posts in them. Some of them you don't. Some of them have strict rules. Be sure and follow their guidelines, or they could report you. And then and then there'd be another way you could get into Facebook jail. So join a bunch of groups, get people from a guru like Brunson to follow you, so that when you post on your page, that you get people seeing your posts. Now another one. This one's kind of fun. Not a whole lot of people do it, I don't think. Although there's some, I guess. Okay, what we're going to do, if you look over to the right on your side, again, let's assume that you've got these people following you that are internet marketers. Okay, I think this guy is one. I'm not certain. I know this is because he's in my group. Hey, Jim. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. That opens up a text box to him. Okay, then we're going to open up this one. She's a lady that's doing a trial right now. Okay, and you can take this all the way across. If you get the ones with the green, those are people that are online right at the time. And what you do is you just start chatting with them here. Say hi, how you doing? And if you don't know them, you can go to their page and you can actually find out what they're in, what network. I see you're in network marketing. We're Facebook friends. Uh, how's things going for you? And start up conversations with these people. And eventually it'll get to the point to where they'll ask you what your business, what you're doing. You'll ask them. And in fact, this lady right here, she contacted me about what business was I doing, and come find out we're both in CTFO, and now she's interested in the system, and is on a trial. Okay, Jim is my upline, in fact, my sponsor. Okay, so those are ways that you can chat with people and get them interested in what you're doing. What you want to do when you do these chats, though, is you want to be conversational, okay? But you don't want to give them out too much information on your business. It's one of the problems I've always had. If somebody asks me, I'll just go on and on and on because I'm passionate about it. But what you want to try and do is give them just a little bit so they get interested. Hope they'll be interested. And then ask them, can I give you a link and take you to so you can take a tour? They ask you, well, how much does it cost? It's free to start with. I don't know whether it's even going to be right for you or not, but I'd like you to take a look at it. Would you do that? And I'll take a look at what you have and do that and see if, and be sure and send them a link that has a sign up form on, or maybe one that has a video that they can see something about what you're doing, and then they push a button, and then it goes to the sign up page, and then they can sign up. So these are some strategies. Give them a try. The other thing that we're also doing, I'm sending you making some videos about traffic exchanges. That's another way of getting traffic, and you may or may not have seen those videos already, but they're in the works and in the process. So I hope this has been helpful. You have a great day. Talk to you again soon.